Hey y'all. So I've already been receiving a couple questions on the homework for 3.1. And this is question number 15 that I'm answering. I think you all have the same numbers, but not necessarily the same question. So I'm just making up one of my own to answer how to do this. So in class today, I discussed what the difference quotient is, and to make sure that you have the difference quotient on your formula sheet, because you can use a whole sheet of paper for the next exam. In fact, I'm just going to let you use both sides of the sheet of paper because I'm to that point right now. All right, given f of x is equal to 3x plus 5, it asks for the function this to evaluate and simplify the difference quotient. So the difference quotient is, and I showed you two different versions in class. I'm going to show you the one f of x minus h minus f of x, all of that divided by h. This is the difference quotient. You're going to be utilizing it in this class. This is where you're first going to see it and learn how to utilize it. And then when you get to pre-calculus, it's going to be one of the first things that they're going to expect you to understand and work with. All right, so to do this, we take the original function and we plug in x minus h everywhere there's an x. All right, so we're going to ignore this piece, and everywhere there's an x, we're going to plug in x minus h. So 3 times x minus h, close parenthesis, and then plus 5. That takes care of the f of x minus h. I'm done with that piece of it. Now I have to subtract, and when I do that, I always put it in a bracket or a parenthesis, and then minus f of x. Well, f of x is just 3x plus 5. Okay, and then all of that is divided by h. All right, I need to start looking at my paper now. I need to distribute my 3. 3 times x is 3x. And then 3 times negative h is negative 3h. Bring down the plus 5. This negative has to be distributed over the parenthesis or bracket. So that's minus 3x minus 5, and all of that's still divided by h. It's at this time we combine like terms. You should only have things with x's remaining. With h's remaining. So 3x minus 3x, those are gone. And 5 minus 5, that is gone. And we're left with negative, don't forget that negative, 3h over h. And the h divided by h is reducing, so your answer is negative 3. Okay, that is the difference quotient. If you have any further questions or you want to see it with a different version, please let me know. I'm happy to make another video.